You might ask yourself, will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home right now for top dollar? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you can sell the home at the highest price for your investment? Hi, my name's Jennifer Bright with Coldwell Banker and Jennifer Bright Homes. Let's take a quick quiz to see if your home passes the sell for top dollar test right now. We've sold hundreds of homes at Coldwell Banker, so we know what we're talking about. Here we go. When you walk up to your home, does it have curb appeal? Is there fresh landscaping, maybe a bit of black bark or fresh flowers? How about the plants or trees? Is your lawn lavish and green, or is it yellow and crispy? What about the exterior of your home itself? Could it use a new trim? Does the front door need a little touch-up or possibly even a new paint job? Remember, this is literally the first impression a buyer is going to have when they enter your home. You need to hire someone that's going to be honest with you and maybe hurt your feelings on what you can do to help improve your investment. Second, have you done the 3 Ds? Declutter, depersonalized, and deep cleaned. And I mean real deep cleaning, including baseboards, scuff marks, cleaned up the charged and changed out the old light bulbs and more. And yes, these things matter. Are the walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched holes? Hey, brick walls with mismatched paint does not qualify for selling top dollar, at least not in today's market. Do you have neutral carpets that are clean? Or are they 10 years old and they've been cleaned 15 times? And once it rains or people walk over them a few times, well, the truth comes out, right? This isn't gonna cut it to get you top dollar. Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Are your cabinets still the same as they were 15 years ago? Or have you updated them? Does your lot compare to the 1/2 acre lot that's up the street? You see, all of these things matter. And they matter because you have competition. I mean, everyone, including me, thinks that they have the best home on the block, right? I mean, listen, I know Granny and I spent 5 weeks putting in old white tiles with brown grout. It's memorable, but is this the measuring up that you're doing with your competition? Is your home partially staged or fully staged with modern furniture to ensure it shows the very best of its ability? Or is your furniture outdated and probably will look better back at Grandma's house? Hey, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just here trying to help you out so that you get top dollar. So I challenge you, take the quiz and get a scale from 1 to 10 to see if you're ready to put your house on the market right now and sell for top dollar. Or if you need to make a few changes, like myself. If I were gonna start looking to sell my house right now, then I would have a lot of honeydews on my list. So call us and we can help you out and advise you as to what the priorities should be to get the most money for your dollar and your budget.